Bird watchers are getting one last chance to appreciate our area's birds as winter approaches. It's part of Waterfowl Observation Day held by the Upper Mississippi River National Fish and Wildlife Refuge. It was held at the Brownsville Overlook. Visitors could view migrating birds that stop to rest along the refuge. It's a perfect location for birds to stop, feed, and replenish during their long travel to a warmer climate.
The refuge is a particularly important place along the Mississippi Flyway because it gives them that continuous resting habitat to give them a chance to relax and fuel up before they continue their journey to the Chesapeake Bay.
If you missed out on today's watch, refuge staff and volunteers will attend the Brownsville Outlook every Saturday and Sunday until November 23rd.